Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to get the product name for each category using two methods. The first method can be used in any version of Excel, especially if not latest version. The second method is specifically for latest version. Let's get started. A follower challenged me to retrieve the category and list of products for each category. We will explore how to accomplish this. First, copy and paste the category into a new column so we can remove the duplicates. Go to the Data tab and remove all the duplicates from the category list. Let's copy-paste the same and delete categories to see a different method, which we can follow in the latest version of MS Excel. Enter the unique function and select all the categories. You can see the result is the same in both ways. Now that we have all the unique categories, let's see how to display the categories in a vertical line. Enter the transpose function and select the categories. It will convert from columns to rows. You can also follow the same steps to transpose the unique returned values as well in latest version. This is just a demonstration of conversion. Alternatively, you can select the categories, go to Sheet 2, paste special as transpose, and use the help of Format Painter to format the headers. Let's duplicate the worksheet to see both methods simultaneously. To create a copy of a worksheet, either right-click on the sheet, click Move or Copy, check Create a Copy, and move to the end, or just select the sheet, press the Control button, and scroll the sheets to the right to duplicate it. Rename the worksheets for better understanding. If you are not using the latest version of MS Office, you can ignore the new sheet created. Enter the formula in cell A2 just below the first category with an if error formula to catch any errors that may occur. Next, enter the index function, go to Sheet 1, select all the products, and lock the reference of the cells by pressing F4. Continue by entering the small function to return the kth smallest value in a data set. Later on, use an if function to check the logic if the categories of Sheet 1 match the category under the header. If the category matches, return the row of the categories in the dataset minus the row of the first category plus 1. Enter the row function from 1 to 1 to return the row number of the first row in the specified range. Close the appropriate brackets and return blank if an error occurred. It has returned the first product. If we change the category, the unique formula updates, and even the filtered data changes accordingly. Let us press Ctrl+Z to undo the same. Drag the formula for a few cells, and you can see it is working perfectly fine. If I drag towards the right, you can see the output returned is the same as the first result. The reason for this is, we have locked the category reference cell. Undo the action, edit the formula, and just lock the row, the column. Now, if I drag to the right, it returns the exact result. Drag the formulas for a few cells, and all the data is filtered accordingly. The next and easy method is in the latest version. Enter the filter formula and select all the products column from Sheet 1. Then, set the categories of Sheet 1 to be equal to the header category. Lock the cells accordingly, and return null if empty. You can see how easily the formula returns the same result as method 1. Apply the same formula for rest of the categories.